So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to bold table text here on a Keynote presentation. So once Keynote's opened up, what I want you to do is go to the top here and add a table to your design. So what I'll actually do is I will press on add a slide, add a new blank slide, then go to table, and then just add this table right here as a demonstration. Now, if you were to type inside of this table, so let's just say bold text just like that. As you can tell, the text by default is not bolded. Now, if you want to bold the text, the simplest way is to press on the text right here. Go to the right hand side of your screen, press on where it says text right here between cell and range, press on text. Then just scroll down to where it says font, and where it says B right here, press on B to make the text bold just like that. And there you go. The text is now bold. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to bold table text here in a Keynote presentation. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.